Now we move to the set homework. You select homework. Okay, and in this instruction we need to create the formulas. So for the formula, you remember we have the cell to keep our result. So in this case we keep our result in B5. So we select B5 and we use the right formula by click to insert function button, and we type the name of the formula, select go, and then we select the function and select OK. For the right formula or the right function, the test we use the B2. We select B2. Absolutely, it means we need to make it absolute by F4. And then the number charge is the specified number of characters from the end of a text string. So we type 16 and select OK. The next function is average from C7 to C29. So we let the pointer at C7 like this, and we use insert function. We select the average function, click OK. We need to find the average score of each student from section 3. So we select the section 3 and from this one to that one, because from the 22nd of August to the 12th of December. So this one, select OK. And after finishing the first function of the first cell, we can copy the formula to the rest by select the first value and let the cursor like this one in the corner of the cell, and you drag to the end of the list and release the mouse. So you will hear the results like this. The next, similarly for the min and the max function. Okay, for the min from D7, so you let the pointer at D7 like this, and again you select the min, go, select min, OK, and min score of each student. So the min score here, this one, you drag the pointer, OK, and then you copy to the end. How about mass? You can do by yourself. Insert function and select marks. Okay. The 16th instruction is about count-if function. Count-if is a function to count the number of cells within a range that meets the given condition. So you need to you use from the F, let the cursor at F7 and select insert function and you type count-if. Go. Okay. The first argument is the range. So the range here is from section 3, from C3 to S3. And the next, the criteria is 0 because we count the number of zero score of each student. And you select OK. And then you copy to the last of the list. The next instruction is to create a name range. So the name range here from the C7 to C29. So you type C7 to C29. Enter. And then you right click and select define name. And the name here you change to homework. Okay. The next one is average if. Average if, to calculate the average of cells within a range that meets the given condition. So you select the cells that will keep the result here is L2 here. And then you insert function. Select average if. Go. Okay. The first range is D7 to D29. D7 to D29. And the criteria is 0. The average range here is homework. You simply to type homework here. And after you type homework, you can see the range that we've already defined the name range before. And you select OK. Now we need to insert table from B6 to F29. Different from Microsoft Word, from Microsoft Excel, you see the working screen is like table already. It divides to column and row. So to insert table, we don't use insert table like Word. We use format as table. So the first, we select the range by type B6 to F29. Enter. So you can select the range. And then you select home and format as table. Here we need to style table is medium style 4. So you look at medium and style 4 is here. And click OK. And we need to display the first column. So we click the first column here like this. The next, okay, the format table B7 to F29. The same, we still have this table B7. Okay, and we rename the table to score. And this is the table name, and we type score. Enter. The next is a sort table. We sort the two columns. So we still select the table like this, and we select the data, and we select sort. With the first column, we sort the zero score from largest to smallest. And the next, we sort by the ID. So we select add level. It means if we have two zero scores that equal, so we need to sort by the second column. We add level and we send by IDs. And for IDs, we order from smallest to largest, and we select OK. So you see we have the zero score first, and if the zero score is the same, we have the IDs. The next is a filter, so the ID does not have zero score. So you see we have the marker of symbol like this, and we select the zero score, and no zero score means we uncheck the zero and OK. And now you see we don't have the student that have a zero score. Now we will work with the concatenate function. Concatenate function is used to join several text strings into one text string. And this one we keep the result in K2. So we select K2 and we select insert function. We type concatenate. Okay. The next one is student with no. And the next one is the header of row column F. So we select this one. And we click OK. The next is create chart. We create a chart into right of data so we can keep the pointer in the right of data like this. And it's exclude all filter rows. It means we use all the data here in our column. So we select this one, and then we select the insert. We select the column chart, and we select 3D cluster chart like this. And nice, you see we have the horizontal and the series. So you select data. You select the select data, and for the series you select ID, only the ID, so it means we remove another one. For the horizontal, we use the zero column. So we edit and we select the zero column. Zero score. Like this. Okay. Okay. And you see, now we have the ID with the zero score. The next one is the format chart. We need to format chart to style 7. So we select the chart. And in the design chart, we select this one. And in the design, we select chart style 7. This one. Okay. The next is the chart title. We change the chart title to homework score. This one is the chart title. So we change to homework score. Okay. That's finished for this set.